Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 VPN not working. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Uninstall one many port IP. Uninstall one many port IPv6. Uninstall one many port PPTP. Click Action, scan for hardware changes. Second method is, right-click New Shortcut. Seek a LAN /Windows /System32 /Rasphone.exe. Click Next. Type any name. Click Finish. Click Workplace Network. Give your VPN credentials and connect. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.